Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these cute little cupcakes and they taste amazing. They're vanilla with some cream cheese frosting and they have raspberry in the middle and it's like a jam and the jam is delicious. If you guys want the recipe, please comment below and I will work on that for you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks. I hope you guys liked my video. If there is some specific videos you guys want, please let me know and keep a lookout for more videos. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.